Hey everyone, Matt's Mox here, and you're wondering where the videos have been, but I'm not going to address in this video. We're going to talk about something really simple here. So, this is kind of like just showing off how to do a wood load. So as you can see, I made this wood load. Now, some guys were saying, oh, that's big, those wood is bigger than the firebox. Well, guess what? They burned everything back in the day, even ties. They threw in massive chunks of wood on these engines because, wood burns, and it burns kind of fast. So, the wood is actually the right size for the period. Now, it is actually made out of twigs that I found in my neighborhood. Mostly oak and maple, but mostly oak. And I take them and I break them down with this baby. And thus, I cut them short, but not too short. So then, they're within scale. And then I stack them up, sort of like how in the photos, but I hot glue them down with hidden hot glue. So, it's not perfect. You can still kind of see some of it towards the edge where I didn't actually finish the job. But for the most part, it makes for a really nice look of a wood load. And if you're wondering, yes, that is a Lego 1x1 cylinder as the engine cylinder. Don't ask me how it happened. It's not my fault. Except it does lead to a really funny situation where I could just, let's see here. Can I? Nah, it's a little janky, but you can still connect a 1x1 or 1x2 to this. And then all of a sudden you have, well, as you can see right here, that. But yeah, that's basically it for wood load on an engine. And I have a lot of things to do. I've been very busy, so now you know something. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.